Book 2. We are friends. Meg and Tommy are friends. We are good friends. We like to be friends. Jesus loves Meg and Tommy. They love Jesus. Jesus loves happy children. Come here, my friends. Come here. They are my friends. I love you, Jesus. Jesus loves me. Jesus is good. Jesus is my good friend. Jesus likes you and me to be happy. Jesus likes Meg and Tommy. They are friends. Meg and Tommy and Jesus are good friends. You like me, and I like you. Good. We are good friends, and we are happy. I love you. I like you to be happy children.